All right, we're going to syllabicate some words. All right, so go ahead and find your, do you have some endings and some prefixes and some suffixes? All right, so what are you going to do to those? Sorry, come on. All right, so why did you circle that one? What is that one? A vowel team? Good. Mark it. All right, and put pre and suff right here, remember? Pre. Good. And SUFF. Remember? Because, yeah, there you go. Good job. All right. So now let's read it because we have the prefix. Or let's look at this part. You have V. All right, so, revealing. Good. All right, so let's do the next one. You're good. Let's do the next one. Circle the suffix, or circle whatever you say. What do you say? Hold on. Remember the ending? Right, circle that whole thing. Right here, the whole thing. L-E-E-S. All right, and that is a what? Suffix, right? All right. Now, let's look right here. Our two vowels. But look at your two vowels. What kind of special vowel is that? What? Magic. The magic E. So draw an arrow from the E to the O like you used to. Yeah, there you go. And write. And what do you write for magic E? Good. E. Good. So what's this word? Hopeless. Very good. All right, do this last one. All right, remember your special chunk on the end. What was it? Bull. Right here, look. Bull. And that's consonant L-E, remember? All right, so then this is this closed or open? Look at it. Is it closed? Or, no, look at it.
Open.
B-A-B. Is that closed or open? All right, mark your syllable. Good. All right, now read the word. Babble. Good. Good job. All right. Very good. Next, we're gonna review some of our words. Our red words. All right. We're gonna lock and load, and then we're gonna tap. The word is said. Good. Next word is to. All right, good. So you lock it. Ready? Lock it and load it. All. O-O-F-F. All. Very good. All right, now I'm not going to show you these. All right. The word is know, like I know something. K-N-O-W. Very good. The next word is only. O-L-Y. Good. All right. Then the last word is such. Ready? Such. Very good. Such. Good. All right. So now our new word is going to be the word against. Can you say that? Against. Let's the wind blew against the house, or the broom was against the wall. So we're going to write it on a bumpy screen. All right. Oh, silly. Okay, so write the word against and say it out loud. I'm going to put it right here. A-G. You say it. A-I-N-S-T. All right, write it again. Say it out loud. Good. All right, one more time. Alright, very good. Now let's lock it and load it. Ready? Ready? Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. One more time. Shh. Against. Ready? A-G-I-N-S-T. Against. Very good. Levi, try to whisper. Alright, next let's finger trace it. Ready? So finger trace over it. Ready? A. Very good. All right, so now you are going to skywrite it. Ready? A. Write it big. A. G. A. You do it. Very good. Again. A. G. A. I. N. S. T. Good. One more time. Against. We can do it. A. G. A. Write it big. A. I. N. S. T. Good. All right, now write it 3 times with a red crayon. Right here. Yeah. A. You got to say it out loud. All right, say it out loud when you write this one, okay? The letters. A. All right, now do it right here when you write. A. One more time. A. A. I-N-S. Good. All right, now. Now try to write it from memory right here. You can do it. Think about what you said without looking at it. You can do it. Yeah, fix it. There you go. Say it out loud. Alright, this is the last thing we gotta do and we're done. You glad? Alright. Shh. Levi, hush. Alright. So what we're gonna do is, listen, look at me. Mama's gonna say, read you a sentence 2 times and then you're gonna pound it and you're gonna write it. Alright, ready? Ready? Don't. Shh. Levi, I need you to be quiet. Alright, look at me. Ready? Alright. Don't press against the glass. Don't press against the glass. Ready? Alright, write it. Make sure you're doing your capital. Tap it out. Don't press against the glass. Levi, you have to be quiet. Alright, good. Now read it right here. Ready? Read it. Alright, good. All right, ready for the next one? Are you for or against his speech? Are you for or against his speech? Ready? Found it. Are you for or against his speech?
They're not found him. They're not found him. There's only two. That's fine. Again.
Good job, Brandon. Red word, I see it written correctly. His speech. Good. Good. All right, here it is. Shh, Lita, you're fixing to get in trouble. All right, read this.
No, everybody for against.
Good job.